We're with Mr. Royler Gracie.
It's a pleasure.
Welcome to Canada.
Well, pleasure to be here. It's not my first time, and I always enjoy having a good time. Yep.
So what brings you here this weekend?
Well, we have a lot of things going on here, you know. But first of all, I'm coming to visit my association. You know, it's a Gracie Muay Thai team. We have a couple schools here, you know, and that's one thing. And we have a Saturday UFC. It's going to be a really good show. It's unbelievable. The card is very, very good. I hope everyone enjoy. And well, the fight bring me here in Canada.
What are your thoughts on gi or no gi?
Well, my whole life I trained with the gi, you know. But if I need to take the gi out, it's not gonna make me feel uncomfortable. Actually, first time I fight, my brother called me in the evening. He said, "Hey, got a fight for you." I say, "When?" I think he's gonna say maybe in 15 days. He said tomorrow morning. I say, well, and that's one of the tough fights, you know, in Brazil. I have the guy's 20 pounds heavier than me, and we fight for maybe 46 minutes. You know, it's in the closed door. There's nobody. There's no money involved. This is a pride, you know. But that's the price you pay, you know, to be one of the Gracies sometimes. And that's how my father built the name, and everybody tried to test. And sometimes the people's knock on the door and say, "Hey, let's see how it's gonna go." You don't need to prove anymore, you know. Today, everybody training jiu-jitsu, and they feel comfortable. And then, like I say, you know, if you like to be MMA, make sure you train in jiu-jitsu.
What are the important debates we should be having in jiu-jitsu today to improve the sport?
Well, you always, if more close to the source, it's better, you know. It's easy for you to make your adjustment. And first of all, try to find a good academy. Try to find someone you know is a good instructor, you know. Make sure you enjoy it, and then you're having a good time.
How important is it to bring jiu-jitsu to the Olympics?
Well, in my view, it's not a close to be in the Olympic. We have a long way to walk. It's a lot of politics involved, you know. It's not only about jiu-jitsu. Jiu-jitsu is already all over the world, you know. But we need to be a little more organized, you know. People's and the time they sit in the crowd watch and they see the fights, they need to understand what's going on. And the time they turn from the people's the guys fight for the crowd see the fight, understand what happened, is gonna make it much easier, you know, for us to move forward. But I don't know. I don't know if it'd be live to see that. I hope so.
How famous are you outside of Brazil? Do you get recognized a lot?
Yeah, a lot. One time actually, I'm in I catch a flight 12 hours from Paris, and then I stop in the immigration, and then as soon as before I give my passport, the guy look at me and say, "Royler?" Oh, this is maybe 10 years ago, and then I say, "Yes." I'm scared, man. He say, "I have your book." I say, "Oh, that's good." Save me. Yeah, this is the people recognize, you know, the family. Actually, not only Royler, but the family is a big name, you know, is everywhere.
What else do you want the people to know?
Well, I hope the people keep training, enjoy. You know, it's not only jiu-jitsu, but the whole martial art in the general. You know, it's amazing. You know, it's something. It's added, you know. And the days today, the people have so much stress. It's good to come into the academy, you know, it's leave the stress in the academy, enjoy having a good time.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.